Let's bring in Fox 4 certified meteorologist Trent Erick now. Trent, we saw that sign behind John. We see it right there. It says very high conditions today, but that's not exactly what you're tracking.
Yeah, the Florida Forest Service has a moderate risk for all of Southwest Florida here. As we go through the weekend, it's going to get dangerous because we're going to be dry, hot, and windy. And there is just no shot of rain here in the 7-day forecast. Even this morning, the only showers we're picking up are right here. And those are the showers that are moving over the warmer waters of the Gulf Stream. Now, as far as what we've got here, not a drop in sight, but we are running a deficit of over 4 inches now. Year to date for Fort Myers, Naples over 3 1/4. And there's that fire danger index forecast for today from the Florida Forest Service. Now, you look at the rainfall monthly in Fort Myers. Historically, November and February are our 2 driest months. As we move from March into April, we start to pick up just a little bit more, but it's usually late May there where the rainy season kicks in, and then we start to get quite a bit more rainfall in August, our wettest month. You look at Naples historically, and we go from almost 2 inches there in March to about 2.5 in April. So we are trending upward now, but those deficits, we're going to need quite a bit of rainfall to really put a dent. We will get an update on the U.S. Drought Monitor tomorrow, and that comes in about 8:30. And you can see right now most of Southwest Florida under a severe drought from the Caloosahatchee south, moderate to the north. I know we received a little bit of rainfall on Sunday, but less than 1/10 of an inch in many spots. Our temperatures this morning are warmer. If you haven't stepped outside yet, we're about 10 degrees warmer than where we were 24 hours ago. And the reason is that wind out of the east. It's going to gust today in the low to mid-teens at times, but not quite as breezy as early in the week. You can see a couple of forecast gusts there right around 16 at lunchtime. We will see our temperatures up around 88 degrees. That's hot. Our record on this date is 92. We'll actually be closer to that than we will be our average of 82 as the warmth begins to build in across the eastern half of the U.S. For us, it's this ridge of high pressure that's going to bring the winds out of the east, and that is a very hot weather pattern for us. Matter of fact, anytime you get a flow across the state like that, it pushes our temperatures up, keeps the east coast cooler, and if it were the rainy season, this is a very stormy pattern for us as it would push those showers and thunderstorms in our direction. We're just way too early for any hope of that. Now, as far as the upper levels of the atmosphere, that ridge really anchors itself in place here as we go later on in the week. Friday into Saturday. That's going to push our temperatures over the weekend into the low 90s. All the storm systems, all the cold air here stays to the north. So as we look at our 7-day forecast, the cooler temperatures we had earlier in the week, well, they're gone. Now we're going to see our overnight lows, which 24 to 36 hours ago were in the 40s, are now going to go in the upper 60s to low 70s over the upcoming weekend.